Again, welcome to Astronomy 100. As I was saying, this is the first time I'm basically teaching in IBC, but this is not the first time I've been teaching before for a long time. And I taught physics, taught astronomy for all kinds of different subjects. So I think I don't have a problem in terms of the content. So again, we're going to be covering astronomy. We're going to start with different topics in astronomy. First of all, we're going to look at the tools used by astronomers to know or understand or learn about the universe, because we're going to be talking about stuff. We're going to be talking about a lot of things. Okay. We're going to talk about the things that we see at night. I mean, with the naked eye, and all the way to the things that are very, very far away and you cannot see them with your eye. And we're going to talk about the extent of the entire universe and the evolution of the universe. These are big, big topics, which really begs the question needs to be answered in a sense. How do we know what we know? It's very important to ask these questions. You should not take things for granted. You should not say, okay, just because the instructor says so, or because the book says so, or because some authority said so, I need to take it for its face value. We really have to question these things. And for that, we're going to discover the tools used by astronomers to know what we know, because we look at the sky and we see things in the sky, and we have to start to basically wonder how these things evolve and how these things move. Of course, these observations usually require a lot of time and patience, but nonetheless, we come up with some very, very big conclusions, very, very broad descriptions that sometimes make you wonder, how did you know what you know? So those are the things that we first of all start with, namely the tools used by astronomers and an astrophysicist, because the two fields are actually interconnected. And then after that, we're going to delve into the solar system. As a matter of fact, today we're going to introduce the solar system. And then we're going to move beyond the solar system to the stars nearby. Then we're going to move to the constellations as we see them in the sky, which is basically the collection of stars that make specific shapes. Then we're going to move to the entire galaxy, which is a huge, huge structure, 100,000 light years. What is a light year? That's another concept that we really need to understand, to just have an idea how big that is. After that, we're going to go into the local group of our galaxies nearby, and that includes at least the three major players. That's not only these three galaxies that play a major role in our local group, but they are namely our own galaxy, the Milky Way, Andromeda, which is a big neighbor, about 2.5 million light years away, but it's a huge galaxy. And then Triangulum, which is also another galaxy nearby, which is also a big galaxy. And those are the three big players, but there are also smaller galaxies in the neighborhood, like the Magellanic Clouds, both of them that are actually some sort of a satellites galaxies for our own galaxy. And that is our local group, and that's a huge, huge size. Then we're going to start talking about cluster of galaxies, which is a really much, much bigger structure. That includes our local group and some nearby groups, where in the Virgo cluster, that's our just immediate neighborhood from the entire universe. The universe is big. It's made up of a huge number of clusters. I mean, it's unbelievable numbers. So that is basically the concept that we're going to be covering in this class. Some of you asked questions, and I tried to answer it in terms of communications. About this live attendance, how is it going to work? After all, this is an online class. And online classes, from our understanding, is attending live classes is not really required. I agree, and I sent a message to that effect in the sense that attendance is not required. However, and I really need you to think about this one, if you cannot attend the live session, you are still accountable for watching it later on. Well, how do you know I watched it? I can just tell you I did. Well, there will be prompts in every live session, questions, discussions, points of interest, okay? But we're going to be doing work later on related to it. We're going to be asked to do specific tasks. You don't know how many prompts there are. I don't. Okay, there could be one, there could be three, or anywhere in between, or four actually. So it depends on the day and what we have to do. When are these prompts going to be? Is it in the beginning? Is it in the middle? Is it in the end? So that I can skip through all of this and just go to the prompt and take care of that and I'm done with it. Well, they depend. Sometimes they can be in the beginning, sometimes they can be in the middle, sometimes they can be all the way toward the end. So in other words, and I'm not going to tell you how many they are because I don't know upfront depending on the topic. So you're not going to say, okay, that was only the question of the day and it's done for, so we're done and I'm going to skip the rest. So in other words, you really have to participate and engage in the classroom, at least through watching the live sessions. What happens if I don't do those questions? Well, it's going to impact your grade. Because remember, according to the syllabus, which we're going to go through at least today a little bit, there is a portion of your grade that goes to your syllabus. There is a 10% grade that goes to your syllabus. Unless you are planning to get a B or less, you really have to do the participation. You have to fully engage with the classroom. The reason why I'm doing that is because when we are doing classes online, sometimes we say, okay, if the class is online, I'm busy, I have all the things to take care of, I have bosses who ask reports and things like that. So I'm going to delay these things toward the end, and then I'm going to answer everything and get this course out of the way. It's not going to work that way because things pile up and things start to become a lot of work, and they become overwhelming. Most of the time what happened, at least the vast majority of the time, is what happened is people drop from the class because they couldn't keep up with it at the end. So instead, we have these check marks, okay, along the way. So making sure, yes, you have other things important to take care of. Yes, you have other things, but you signed up for this class too, which is important. So we really have to take care of that and start on a regular basis every week, dedicate a small amount of time for it so that we can take the class. So I'm hoping that this message is clear. Is this okay? Of course, you can react, and there's a chat session on this Zoom thing, or you can actually. Sounds good? Okay, very good. Okay. So in other words, if you can make it live, that's actually ideal, because for you and I, then your questions will be answered. That is actually a big plus. Any kind of confusion, any kind of misunderstanding will be clarified right there and there. So there is no problems whatsoever. If you cannot attend the live session, very good. If you cannot attend the live session because of work or prior engagement, or you already have plans for the day for one reason or the other, there will be a link that will be posted in the discussion for the video that is recorded. So you have to go there and you have to watch the entire thing from the beginning to the end. And depending on the assignments on that one, you're going to go down and answer them. Here is the thing. Well, you just said it's a discussion, so I'm going to skip the whole thing. I'm going to just see what other people have said and put it in my own words. That's not going to work either, because of the fact that you're not going to see what other people have posted unless you post yourself. And once you do, you cannot edit it. So you really have to really honestly, for your own sake, not for me or anybody else, do the work that you're supposed to do, because you only get from this class or any class or anything, as a matter of fact, in life, it doesn't matter which one, whether you're working, whether you're for fun, or whether you're family, like that, you get from it what you put into it. And this is true for this class too. So you have to really keep up with these things. So, and again, I just want to clarify this issue because it was kind of confusing. You say the class is online, but I see scheduled meetings every week. So would that mean that now I have to be on time in there? Yes and no, okay? You can still choose not to attend if you can, if you cannot, but there is a catch that you have to take care of. because after all, it's your learner. Okay, enough talk about that. Unless you guys have any other questions about this, please send it to me, and I will be more than happy to clarify that, send the message to everybody, and there is no problem with that. Okay, again, my name is Bouzidi Jamoui. I have a PhD in physics from the University of California, San Diego. And for communication purposes, you can call me DJ, because most of the time my students have a hard time basically saying my name. So if people confuse your name and get it not right, so I am in the same spot with you guys. So, but DJ would work fine. Okay, that's one thing. The class, again, is online. It's on Canvas. The material, the textbook for this class is the 5th edition of this book, which is entitled Pathways to Astronomy. There will be assignments from it, so you really have to get the book. If you can get the 5th edition, because the publisher already came up with a 6th edition, I don't think that should be a problem. In the future, we're planning to change the textbook anyway. We're going to upgrade it. So, but in the immediate, right now, we're going to be using this textbook. So there will be assignments from it and questions related from it. The materials are going to be posted on Canvas. So let me give you a tour of how Canvas looks like. Okay. So let me share the screen. Does everybody see what it says Astro 100 models? At least I need one or two of you to confirm, because sometimes I'm talking and I think that you guys are looking at something, then you're not. Okay, very good, very good. So right now, this is, if I am a student, this is what I see when I come into this class, okay? If I look at it this way, the first thing I see in here as a student is the model. There are other materials in here, but they are not available yet. So once they are finished, you are going to see them. But even this model, as you can clearly see it, there is only one item I can click on. These ones are not. I cannot click on this discussion, do we live on a flat Earth? I can see it great, but I cannot do that. I cannot do this. I cannot do any of those, as a matter of fact. In other words, I really have to go through this model in a sequential manner. So once you come in here, that is really your base. That is really where you're going to spend most of your time in this class. Now, there is no other place, as a matter of fact, that you would want to go to. There is no need for you to do anything else other than the models. So everything is going to be contained in here. Yes, on the left-hand side in here, it shows me to do. Usually those are assignments, like this one is an assignment actually, and it's graded and it tells me how many points I'm going to get for it if I complete it and get everything done right, 20 points. But there are other discussions and things that I'm supposed to look at too, okay? So those are the messages that I sent you guys, and you can clearly see from here that these are messages and this is different. This is discussion, okay? So those are the different stuff that I can do. But the main thing that I need to focus on is really here, okay, on the model. However, if you really want to reach me and contact me, there is this button also that you can click in here. So if I click on the inbox, I don't know if I can or not. Access denied because I'm using an account which is really not a real account. I don't have really an email account. But for you guys, this is where you go under the inbox where you communicate with me. This is most of the times the most effective, the fastest way to send me messages because I get them right away. And I know some of you already sent me messages. So this is really the fastest way to get in touch with me, okay? Because they come through my email, they go through my phone, they go everywhere, so I get them right away. Please understand the following. I am available for your communications Monday through Friday, actually, okay? Saturday and Sunday, usually I'm busy with other matters, and I try to respond, but if I don't respond on those days, please allow for the next day, okay? And if I don't respond to you within 24 hours, 48 hours at most, please respond. Please send me another reminder, okay? Hey, I sent you a message. Please, can you take care of this? Or I didn't understand that, or I have a question about that. Usually, my goal is to respond within 24 hours, or at worst, 48 hours to your whatever requests that you're going to send, or messages or anything like that. provided the weekend is, you have to allow for the weekend, okay? That's the only thing that I want you to guys to be aware in terms of communications. Again, I'm in here. There was also another thing on here that I can see, hopefully I can, which is the syllabus. Here is a syllabus of the course. This is everything that we're supposed to have. This is when we're supposed to be meeting on a regular basis. This is also other times that you can schedule a meeting with me. Please don't think that I'm available on campus on these days or anywhere. You have to send me a message ahead of time. Can we meet on such and such day? And you will need to meet with me because we have projects that we're going to be talking about. So we really need to make sure that those projects are done to perfection, because I want you to really get the maximum from them. I want you to really enjoy this class and really be doing these things. I don't want you to be sitting frustrated in your, wherever you are, not knowing to do what you need to do, not understanding what you're supposed to be doing, and that is not good for you. That is not good for me either. So we really have to make sure that we're moving and progressing. Something is not clear, something is not, you don't have the resource that you're supposed to have, you don't have the whatever needs to be done, and you're looking at it 2, 3 minutes, 5, 10 minutes. Hey, this is something that I really don't want to spend more time on this. I will ask a question, okay? I will ask for a meeting. So these are good times to meet. These are not the only times that we can meet, by the way. If you think that this question requires more time or different times, just message me, okay? I'm available other times too where I can meet. So this is not the only times I can meet. I think I might try to be on campus. I'm trying to get this situation fixed so that I will be on campus at some point. And I don't know about the college policy in terms of on-campus visitations and things like that, but that once it's clarified, I will be more than happy to meet with you also in person, provided all of the health, safety, and everything else is observed. We should not have a problem also on working out problems, discussing questions, and finishing projects and things like that, okay? So again, this is part of the syllabus. This is my email address, of course, in here. At this point, I really don't have an office yet. And I think we're going to fix that. Once it's fixed, I'm going to send you a message exactly when, what's my office number and so on and so forth, okay? But that should not prevent us from doing stuff, okay? So please don't think that this is something that we have to wait for, no, okay? Again, all of this stuff is standard. So these are the objectives that we're going to basically be covering in this class, assignments out of class and so on and so forth. The Wi-Fi, if you need really help with these things. And the grading schema. Again, this is the 10% I was talking about in terms of class participation, which is very important, okay? Unless you're really planning to get a B or less, then you can skip this part. The written assignments, there are 2 of them, 2 projects, so we're going to be talking about them. One of them involves the observation of the moon over a span of 4 weeks, okay? And the other one, I think I talked about this one in here, and that involves the software I'm going to show you right away, which is called the Stellarium, okay? And there will be homework assignments and of course the exams, okay? Normally I do not accept late work, but it's never late unless it's graded. So there will be due dates on assignments, okay? This assignment is due on such and such. But if you look and you did not receive a mark on that assignment, you still have time to submit it. But that means you really, really are working in the extra time, okay? Usually I give plenty of time for you guys to finish an assignment. And again, if you have difficulty with it, you have still this wild card that you're going to, you can always put at any time, okay? So more resources in here. These are the topics we'll be covering. I'll try to follow this schema as much as possible. And the stuff that needs to be done, what you really need to do, and so on and so forth, okay? And of course, there will be some additional materials for you guys on campus. okay, in addition to the book. Okay, so let's go back home. If I go back home, I'm still as a student. And if I click on this one in here, this is the rules on how to basically behave basically online, so that we are all basically respecting one another and observing the rules and so on and so forth. I want you to really read this. And unless you mark it done in the bottom in here, if you click next without doing it, well, you're going to basically completion prerequisites. The following need to be completed. So you really need to go back into this one. Otherwise, you cannot move to the next assignment. You cannot even see it. So I'm going to go back into it. There it is. Unless I mark it done, as I said, I will not be able to move on. So what I'm supposed to do in here is read through these policies and make sure we understand them. The main thing I can tell you from this one is to treat each and everyone with respect, okay? And understand that we are all working together for the same thing. We're trying to get these concepts understood and learned and enjoy this class, okay? Before you hit the submit button on anything, whether to your peers or anybody, please read through what you're sending, okay? And if you think it may not sound correct, read it again out loud this time around, okay? If you think that the wording may be misunderstood or maybe not correct or something like that, that is the time when you're going to go and reword it, put it in a different phrases, okay? So that is really what I'm going to send, or what I'm going to recommend as far as this one in here, but go through it and please read it. And once you do, you're going to mark it done. So if I mark it done now, it says I'm done. I can move to the next assignment. Now it's opened. I can see what's going on in the next assignment, which is this discussion. It has 20 points, man. It's a lot of things. How do I know it's 20 points? Well, if I click in here, I can see there is a rubric in here. I don't need to read all of this. I'm going to show rubric. I need to get 10 points. I need to do my initial post by 8/26, which is not this Thursday, but the following Thursday. So I have about 10 days to take care of this, okay? In order for me to get 10 points, I need to answer all 4 items. Okay, that's one thing. What happens if I don't include all 4 items? I'm going to get this many points, 7 points. Or if I don't include any, by this date, I'm going to get this much mark on this. So potentially, I can get a 0 or a 7 or a 10. Ultimately, I would really love to get a 10 for this part, okay? Then, in order to get, so if I do get a 10, I only get 50% of this assignment. I'm not getting 100% in it. So I still have to do the second part, which is due on 8/28, which is not this Saturday, but the next Saturday, which is about 12 days or so in terms of time, okay? Almost 2 weeks, as a matter of fact, for this one, just less than 2 weeks, okay? So I have to reply all criteria met. So what does that mean? So I'm going to see what the second part is. And then again, if I only have a partial part of it, so some of the criteria are met, some of the criteria are not met, I get 7, or if I don't care to do the whole thing, I will get 0. So again, I really want you to pay attention to this assignment. So when you look at an assignment, the first thing you look at is where is the rubric? Obviously, once I am done with this one, I also have to make sure that it's all done. Because if I move on, it's not going to let me either. So I'm going to, let's say, for example, okay, I want to skip and see the next one. I'm still as a student. It says discussion must submit the assignment. So you really have to do this one in order for me to complete the rest of the stuff, okay? So again, I'm trying to get you into the use of the sequence so that you understand how these things are working, okay? So I'm going to go back into my assignments and take care of that. Again, here is the instructions. I mean, here is the background, if you wish, an overview. and then the instruction. For this, you identify an online resource such as YouTube or something, and to talk about the Earth is flat, okay? Obviously, we know this is not true, so otherwise you would not be taking this class, so that's kind of a joke a little bit. So anyway, the point in here is, here are the 4 items I really have to take care of in order for me to get that full credit for this part of the assignment, due by Thursday, August 26th at 11 p.m. Please do not try to submit this one at 10:45 p.m. on August 26th, because that is the time when there is a problem with the electricity or the internet is down or something happened to the computer. Because if you do that, that is putting yourself in kind of an awkward position. You're putting yourself in a disadvantaged position. So try to take care of this one well ahead of time. You have plenty of time to please start researching it. Once you do that, you should be able to submit this thing. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is tell us something about yourself, how you want to be addressed, what's the preferred name. I just told you, my name is Jamoy, but I like to be called DJ. So that is one way of saying this is basically how I want to be called, okay? And also, if you are preferred to be called he or she or whatever your preferred way of to be addressed, that would be perfect to state that on that, so that there is no confusion, because sometimes names can be confusing and people sometimes don't understand the proper way of addressing you, and you may take it offensive, and that's not because they meant to be offensive, because they didn't know. So please tell us more about yourself and what interests you in this class, and if you include what is this? If probably I'm not reading for it, and include a picture of yourself, okay? So please don't use this small pictures from your icon there. Try to have a nice picture in there so that people can see you. At least if they meet you outside, they know, hey, this is so-and-so. We were together in astronomy class or in college or something like that. And if I meet you, at least I know, hey, that's one of my students, okay? Obviously, you will know me because you see me all the time. So. Oh, that's the astronomy class. I remember him. I didn't like his class, so we avoid him. Okay. Not a profile picture, and a good picture, basically a nice size picture, so that we can see. I can see your, I can see you, and your classmates do too. Does this answer your question, Alvaro?
Question. So
Yeah.
in the question that we make where we talk a little bit about self, we just include a picture of ourselves.
With a picture and talk a little bit about yourself, what you're going to be majoring at, and what you hope to achieve from this class, and so on and so forth. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be too much. Okay, just a brief intro. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And then share the link of the resource that you found. Okay, it could be a blog, it could be a video, it could be whatever you want to include. Okay, identify 2 arguments in your link that attempt to prove the Earth is flat. See if they really try to identify, hey, the reason why we think the Earth is flat is because we don't see the edge of the Earth, or whatever they are saying in the video, okay? So in other words, once you include the video, try to watch it yourself and take a couple of points from their discussion to see if what they're saying is basically hold water or not, okay? To the best of your abilities and based on the evidence from scientific, try to present a counter argument. I mean, I don't expect you to be experts in this area, okay? And these people, sometimes they can be using words that are kind of like a twisted words, and sometimes they seem to have an argument for it, and you look at it and you say, wow, I'm confused now. If you can answer it, fine. If you think he can find the flaw in the argument, great. If not, then, well, this is to the best of your ability, try to respond to them. Okay? We know the Earth is not flat. I hope that you guys agree with me on this. Otherwise, we're in the wrong class. Okay. Anyway, this is the first part. This gives you 10 points. Okay. As a matter of fact, I don't need to grade your assignment. You can grade it yourself. You're going to look at these 4 points and look at the rubric and say, do I deserve a 10 points? Do I deserve 7 points? Or do I deserve no points? I can give you that to grade it yourself. I don't even have to grade it. Just look at the rubric, look at your submission, compare the two, and you can give yourself a grade. Okay? So that is this part. The second part in here, again, I have to do all of this, to get the 10 points too. You need 2 replies to your peers. Again, please refer back to the first thing that we discussed, and namely the policies and how to address one another and everything else, and observe and respect. So that is really trying to instill in us the policy that we just learned. Okay, remember the previous step from this class. Okay, are these arguments against the flat Earth based on science? Okay, so you're going to look at your friends' arguments and say, oh, yeah, I think I agree with you, and it looks like you have a very solid point, and furthermore, if you can develop on it. Maybe we can look at it in a different perspective. You can basically, if you think that your classmate maybe has only one side and there is another side, you can improve on it, okay? Or you raise the excellent points, and furthermore, these are the points that I think also can solidify the argument against this person's nonsense, okay? So that is basically what we're trying to do that. Try to react also to their profile. I really like what Alvaro is doing, for example, and I think that's a wonderful thing, and I hope that we can meet, and this is the same field I'm trying to major in, and maybe we can, so that is the kind of discussions that you would want to generate, okay? So that's really the essence in here. Did the resource of the website sound genuine or truly believable in the Earth? Did you think that the presenter who presented the flat Earth argument was really somehow, they seem to be convincing, or they look like completely nonsense stuff, okay? Because sometimes they can be confusing, as I was saying, okay? So, and please do not use the words yes or no, or I agree or disagree. So try to use full sentences, okay, in your replies. We're trying again to be a good communicators, good writers, trying to explain things. At the ultimate thing, science is not just about the discovery process, but it's also about communication. So we're also trying to learn that and be able to be effective communicators of what we know, okay? That is how actually knowledge grows. Because if I discover something, if I cannot tell everybody else about it and the arguments with it and so on and so forth, it's not going to grow, it's going to stay with me. So that is the whole thing in here. That's a very important step. If we do that, again, you can grade it yourself. Do I have 2 replies? Do the replies meet all the criteria? If they do, then I get 10 points. If they're missing here and there, or I did only 1 reply that is actually very sound and has all the criteria, and the other one that is missing, then I don't deserve a 10, I would get a 7. If I did not do any, then why would I get a 7 or a 10? I should get really nothing for this part of the assignment. So I can grade it myself. I don't even have to ask the instructor to grade it for me. Again, I'm done with the assignment, and I was saying in here that if I don't submit in here the replies to this, we're not going to do this thing, okay? If I don't come in here and do a reply and just continue, this is what's going to happen. So this is in a nutshell how our class looks like. You see here also, since I completed this one and marked it as done, it has a checkpoint in here. So if I come back tomorrow, this is, I will see a bunch of checks and then things that are not checked. That means I have to take care of those first, and so on and so forth. Let me, question?
So how are we supposed to try or just do the assignment? Since, as you showed us, it goes to like a different area, the discussion.
Yeah, when you go to the, you start typing there, you attach pictures, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so when you reply to it, that's it. That answers the whole thing, and then it will allow you to move on. And don't forget to come back to it later on, because usually what happens is the following. So really, it's very important that you also take care of this very important point. Once you, sorry, Karen, were you saying something? Okay, so when you first post, when you first want to post, usually there is no other people that have already posted so that you reply to them. So you really you're hoping that other people will immediately, so that you go and answer the first one, and then find another one who posts so that you answer them. Now the second one who posts, what happened in here, they see the first one already is post, so they reply to him. But now what happened, the first post usually gets the most replies. Please try to spread it. So before you reply, do not reply to the person who's got the most replies, okay? Try to find other people who did not have as much replies and reply to them, so that we have the whole thing is covered. That's the only thing I would want to say about this one, and discussions in general. So that covers the first week in terms of what we have to do, okay? So this is basically in terms of the first week, this is really what the main thing that we have to do. Again, I'm going to post this let me first of all come in here. Let me show what I'm talking about. Let me go back, share the screen. I hope that you guys are still looking at the same thing that I shared with you before. Yes? At least one person confirms through the chat or audio.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So either today, tonight, or tomorrow night, one of the two, the recording of this session will be included in here, okay? Actually, it's going to be between the first one and the second one. And it's, you can basically, you can just view it and it's going to mark you as done. And there will be items in there of discussion too, okay? That are going to be open for the debate. So today's recording, we're going to be done with it. And then once we're finished with it, Zoom is going to make it available for me. I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel, which I really recommend that you're going to subscribe to it, at least for this semester, so that whatever uploads are going to be there, you'll be the first to know about them, okay? Before I come in here and give you the link for them, once YouTube makes them available to see what we're talking about. So you missed the live session, and then the video is available at 4 p.m. You don't want to wait for me until basically I upload them to Canvas and then send you the link, which is probably going to happen tonight or tomorrow or something else. So you have first go at it since you missed the live session. There will be a discussion right then and there in the item that I'm going to include in here. And that is to answer whatever questions raised in the live session. So again, you guys are live. So the question today is the following. We have to reply to the discussion sessions from the live sessions all the time. So that is really the item. Right now it's 8:39. So this is the point that I want you to do. Watch the video if I'm not live and reply to the discussion items. Okay, so those are the things that we're going to do. If we are live, we don't need to wait for the video to be uploaded because we were there. So all we have to do is reply to the discussion sessions that are included in between in here for today. So this is not part of this assignment. This assignment is still holding there true by itself. Again, that is also goes to your participation. There will be a lot of these things that are coming into participation. Is this clear? There is that distinction, at least for this module. From this point on, there will be no more of this type of assignment. This is just our first assignment so that we can get started. From this point on, every week, there will be a live session when we talk about the whole week, what we need to do. And in it, there will be an item or two of discussion. And in there, we're going to If we attend live, we're going to just reply. If we don't attend live, we have to watch the video and reply. So those are the two things that we need to do. I can put them in my own words, but of course you really need to put them in your own words yourself. So here is, if I don't attend the live session, first I watch recording and answer prompts video. Otherwise, meaning that I already have attended the live session, I just post answers. The reason why I put it in parentheses. So here is what I'm saying in here. So this is what I post. So again, because you guys are live, you benefit from this thing. Those who are not live, they will not be able to look at the chat session. They cannot see what we're looking at. But again, they should be able to put it in their own words and post it in there. Make sense?
Yes.
That's prompt for today. Okay. So that's really how we're going. Thank you, Natalia. Okay, thank you, Selena. So basically that is the plan so that we know what we're doing. Okay. Now, this is the first thing I wanted to talk about. The second one, so the first big deal that we have this week going on is this first assignment, which is really, do we live on a flat Earth? Okay, that is the question that we need to really have the discussion of. I want you to really research it, upload the photo, put it in steps. So that is a big deal. In addition to completing all of the assignments in this module, because once you complete that, there is unit 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so those are the stuff that we need to do. Okay, in reading through the book, we're going to come through very, very important stuff. So let me share with you the software that we're going to be using a lot. This is a free software. You're not going to pay a dime for it. Okay? And even if you don't own a computer, as long as you have access to the internet, you can still use it. So it's not a something that is a, did I include it in the syllabus? I should. Yes. Let me go and share with you this screen in here again, just to make sure that you know where to find it. Share. Here is a software that we're going to be using. It's called Stellarium. Okay. So I'm going to click on it and see if that takes me to the link. Do you guys look at this page that says Tellurium and it has this like a penguin in here, 3 penguins and an app? Okay, very good. So this is the software that we're talking about in here. You can use the web version. You can use it directly from the internet, okay? Or you can download it on your computer. If you have Windows, there are 2 versions of Windows that you can download, either a 32-bit or a 64-bit. Most of the times, if you don't know which one is which, try to download the 32-bit, it should work fine, okay? But if you download 64-bit and your computer is not a 64-bit, it's going to tell you that this program is not compatible. So that means you have to really download the other one, that's all. You have an Apple machine, the only version that they have it is a 64-bit. If you have a Linux machine, you have one of these distributions, one of these packages, okay? You can install it in your computer, and I recommend you do because of the fact that it's really something that you will enjoy. We have a planetarium on campus. I had a chance to go into it on Thursday last week and look at it, and it's really a very nice planetarium. I'm hoping at some point in the semester, we probably are going to be on campus, although probably with a limited number because I look at the seating and they're kind of close from one another. And I know we have a large class, so probably we're going to split it in halfways when we're going to be able to meet. And if we can meet that, that would be great so that we can look at stuff, okay? Again, it's not going to be mandatory, but if you want to enjoy it, it's really nice. Short of doing that, we have Stellarium. Stellarium really works the same way, this software. As a matter of fact, I like it more because it really has live data. So I'm going to stop sharing this screen, and I'm going to share with you how Stellarium look like. I downloaded it on my machine, and I actually started it. So let me stop sharing. I'm going to share with you guys the software. So here is Stellarium when you go into it. The first thing that you look into is, right now it's telling me I am in a city called Loma Linda in Northern California. Actually, not near, I'm actually in Redlands, if you know the area. Redlands is San Bernardino County, which is really in the, not too far from where you guys are, about 150 miles from where we are right now on campus. So this is, it picks up my location automatically. If I move to another location, all I have to do is either find a new location or manually enter the location, okay, under the location window in here, or basically I have the software find it for me. So that's one thing. But right now, this is daytime looking at the south. So this is, if I look at the south skies, this is how it looks like. If I look this way and here, this is where the sun is. So this is right now. The advantage of this, like I was saying in here, this software compared to the planetarium is that you will have really how the sky looks like in front of. This is not how it looks like outside. This is just a stock picture that they have it on the software. So, but it gives you the terrain and how the horizon would look like, which usually includes trees and houses and things like that. So this is how the sky looks like. I don't want to look at it now. I want to look at it later at night, okay? So let me change the time. Or, no, that's not, what is the time in here? Yeah, here is the time. I want to see how the night would look like where our August 16th, it uses the military way of saying time in here. So, but I want to look at it, let's say, for example, at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. is military way is 20. Okay. So this is 8 p.m., not exactly 8 p.m., but it's 8:48. So I'm going to put 0 in here, and I'm going to let the times tick. The time is moving fast, so I'm going to stop the time. So is this the way to stop the time? Yeah, it's frozen now. Okay. So because it's ticking the seconds, the clock is ticking the seconds. So right now I'm looking at the sky exactly at 8 p.m., looking from the south from where I am at. Okay. This is how the sky would look like. The moon is in here. This bright star in here is Antares, which is a big star in here. And you can clearly see it's like kind of a yellowish star in here. So this gives you actually how the stars would look like. What is this object in here that is super bright? That is Pipa. So those are stuff that I can see in the night sky. I'm interested trying to find where Jupiter is. Okay. Okay, so I can come in here. And where is it? Is this the search button? And find where Jupiter is. Jupiter. And it found it for me here. So I'm going to find it. And here it's in the east and southeast. This is where Jupiter is. And it's kind of bright star, actually, but just above the horizon. As a matter of fact, I can see in here. Do you guys look at the same thing I'm looking at or not?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So basically, I can see all kinds of the position of it in here. So if I wait until, let's say, for example, 9 p.m., which is 2100, this is, first of all, the night becomes a little bit darker because we're well after the sunset. And Jupiter has risen far in the sky. And look at Saturn. So if I have a telescope, I can actually see what this object is. So I can take my telescope outside and look at them at 9 p.m. from my location. From where you are also, you can do the same thing. You can look at objects in here in the sky. And these are 2 planets. So if I want to zoom on this planet in here, if I really have the, this is Deneb, actually part of the summer stars, okay? which is the tail of the swan, which is another constellation. So as I'm zooming closer, I see something that popped up on the other side in here, and it says Callisto. Okay, and actually those are the moons of Jupiter. Now Jupiter at this zoom looks very, very bright in here. Let me look at this moon in here, and actually it's Europa, and it looks closer to Jupiter, but it's not. Actually, Io is closer. Okay, but it's because of the position, the way that they are positions. We're looking at them in the sky, so it looks like. So now I'm looking, and look at these two moons also. This is Ganymede, and this is Callisto. Those are the four objects that Mr. Galileo has looked at the first time he basically took a toy telescope and looked at Jupiter. And he saw first of all, he saw 3 moons, and the next day he saw the 4th moon, which is Io. Because Io is very close from Jupiter and moves very fast, takes about 42 hours to go around it. So those are some of the objects that we see in the night sky. Again, this is from my vantage point, from where you are. You can always change the location. No. And in here, input where you want to be. Let's say, for example, we want to be El Centro. El Centro. Here it found it, in Central United States. So right now, if I look at my location, I'm in El Centro. The sky doesn't look much different, does it? It's the same thing. I don't know even if it moved slightly, because we're almost in the same, basically, line. So we're not really going to see much difference in the night sky. One of the things I can turn on with this thing in here are the constellations. Okay, this is the names, and this is their shapes. Okay. Where is the stars? Where is our the south in here? Okay, this is Sagittarius, which is a big deal in here, and this is the Scorpion. Okay, and this is the tail of the Scorpion, and this is its body. Right, and the eye in here is Antares, when I was talking about earlier. So again, this is also part of the another constellation that is part of the zodiac signs. Okay, so all of this is what you can do with this one in here that you can actually do on the planetarium. The advantage of this one is actually you can plan your trip. Let's say, for example, I'm coming to El Centro. Let's say, for example, we're going to the desert somewhere in here. Let's say, for example, I'm planning a field trip to Arizona, somewhere in the Grand Canyon. So I can change my location to the Arizona in the Grand Canyon. And let's say, for example, I would want to look at how the sky would look like sometime in the future. Let's say, for example, I'm planning to do my trip on September 10th. Okay, I don't know what that day is, but this is how the sky would look like in El Centro, September 10th. So it really can help you do that. You cannot do it a lot with planetarium. Planetarium is kind of limited a little bit. So this is a very powerful software that we're going to be using a lot in this classroom. So I really want urge you to get familiar with it. By the way, if you go to the same link that I provided in the syllabus, you're going to find documentation, and you will be far more proficient at it than myself, okay? Which is fine. Actually, I really encourage you to have it. It's really a free software, and it gives you everything. On the phone, unfortunately, you have to pay for it, like $4 or something. And I have it also on my phone, because when you're going in a place where there is no internet, or there is no, you don't have access to a computer, a phone usually is far more handy, and it gives you a lot of ways of basically planning your trip, taking the proper, basically, lenses that you need to take with you for your telescope, and basically looking at the night sky and be more familiar with it, okay? Be more basically proficient with it. Again, one of the things that people always ask about is, when I look at the north, what is that thing in here that is really marks the entire sky? Polaris. If you look at the sky, you will see that everything seems to be revolving around Polaris. Polaris looks like it's in the middle. Actually, this is the constellation that it's in. Let me go in here and start the time and make it go faster. And you will see the sky moving actually before your eyes, because we're not waiting for a second to go as a second. The entire sky looks like it's moving. The entire dome looks like it's moving, where Polaris is not moving. That's the northern star, okay? And everything goes around it in this fashion. And the reason why it does so is because of the fact that the Earth is actually spinning. It takes a lot of things. We're going to get into Copernicus. So of course, now the sun is coming out. We are in the day after. But the thing with it is, the entire thing is moving. So the sun is coming from the east, of course, and going to set in the west. And I want you to, of course, there are no stars you can see, but the software will give you still how the constellation would look like. One of the things to watch for when you are outside, actually, it's in daytime. Cassiopeia, this one, the W, right now it's a W in the beginning of the night, and it's going to be like 3, and then it's going to turn into an M, then it's going to turn into an epsilon, and then a W, and so on and so forth. That can tell you exactly what time of the day. You can use it as a reference to tell you what time of the day, and also roughly where to find where the northern star is. Everybody is moving except it. So this is an intro to the software that we'll be using. Let me stop it. Let me stop sharing the screen. So I really urge you guys to have this software. And when we meet on campus, if we can meet on campus, and hopefully we can, at least for kind of a trip together, we're going to enjoy our planetarium and see more stuff in it. And maybe we can yank a couple of telescopes and go outside, and we have to probably do that very late at night, okay? And look at the sky and try to identify objects, with or without telescope. Actually, nice binoculars will do. Actually, I have some binoculars in here that can give me actually some of all the things that we didn't explore in the software, and we can actually, in terms of I lost the word right now, but the things that we can see, it's very, with a naked eye, okay, or a small device, okay? So those are the things that we hope to do. We're going to have an activity related to this software, so I want you to really get familiar with it as soon as possible and start to play with it so that you guys have to enjoy it, okay? Let me see. Again, one of the things that we're going to learn is the sizes of things. We will learn that the sun, at least for our solar system in here, and the stars in general, are big. 99% of the mass of the solar system is actually that of the sun. Jupiter is the next object in here. Let me see if I can get another software in here, or okay, let's go back into Stellarium, because it's still a good software to look at the objects in here. Share. Because I'm going to talk about these objects, why not see them? Okay, so again, the sun, we know it's big. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to remove the entire horizon. Let's not look at the horizon. And let's look at so this is actually how the night sky is. Let me remove the constellations completely. And let's leave the labels for right now, okay? So that we know what we're looking at in the sky. So again, this is as if we're in a point in space, okay? Some of the things that we can see are the following objects. So here is the sun. Mercury is the closest object to the sun, followed by Venus, followed by Earth, where we are right now. One of the advantages of this software, actually, you can put yourself somewhere else. Let's say, for example, you happen to land on Mars and you would want to look at the sky, how the sky would look like. It's going to be slightly different, especially for the stars. You're not going to notice much difference, but for the planets, you're going to see a big difference for their position relative to Mars versus that of the Earth. So you can simulate that. So the Earth comes next, and then, of course, the Earth has the moon, which is, this is what it looks like in here. This is Jupiter comes, well, where is Mars? I don't see Mars. Mars comes after that. I can look for it in here and I should be able to find it, okay? I can come in here and search for the object. Where is it? Mars. Okay. Oh, here it is. So it's tiny in there, okay? And again, it has a couple of captured moons. This is an object of interest for a lot of scientists. There is Phobos and there is Deimos. Those are the two captured moons, okay? And then we have, again, Jupiter comes next, okay? Saturn comes after that, and then Uranus comes after that, and finally Neptune. Neptune is the last of the planets in the solar system. After that comes some tiny planets like Pluto, which are actually not planets at all. They are dwarf planets, and Eris and other objects. So between Jupiter and Mars, there is actually a big belt of asteroids. One of them, actually the biggest object, is also a dwarf planet called Ceres. So those are some of the objects that you see in the solar system. In terms of size, like I was saying before, the Sun is by far the biggest, then followed by Jupiter, Saturn after that. Did I mention Saturn in the order? It comes after Jupiter, before Uranus. And then in terms of mass, Saturn comes third after the Sun and the Jupiter. Then after that comes Neptune and Uranus. They're very close in size and shape and color and everything, and structure and everything else. And after both of them comes the Earth, actually, is the next object. Actually, it's the biggest object from the inner planets, followed by Venus, followed by Mars, followed by Mercury, and then the moons. Actually, the moon, one of the moons of Jupiter is bigger than Mercury. So, but the Earth's moon is less than Mercury. So this is, in a nutshell, basically an intro to our solar system, okay? And of course, the more reading you do, this is not supposed to be, all of these things at once, but of course, the more you are going to continue in this class, the more you're going to be basically familiar with these topics. I prepared a quick poll for you guys. And I'm gonna launch it in here. I'm gonna give you about about 2 minutes to answer those questions. 3 minutes, actually. Hopefully you guys can go through these questions and answer them to the best of your abilities, just to give me an idea. You guys see the questions or not?
Yes.
Okay, there are only a couple of questions. Go through them and answer them, please. Let's go. Remember, those are anonymous, basically. You don't have to submit your name or anything like that. So they're not going to be graded, so that we can have something to talk about in here. 2 people submitted. I still need more. 3, 4, still have more. Let's go, the last one. Okay, so thank you. So the first question says, which of the following list gives us the objects from smallest to largest? Obviously, the objects we're comparing are the Moon, the Earth, Pluto, Mars, and Jupiter, okay? And the biggest object is, of course, Jupiter. But the Earth is not smaller than these two objects. So it could not be for the first question. Now, Jupiter is still the largest. So it's a good order for this one's in here. Okay. But Mars is bigger than the moon. So it cannot be the second question. Okay. Obviously, this is wrong and nobody chooses. I'm glad you guys did not choose this one because Jupiter is the largest of them all. Okay. Pluto, Moon, Mars, Earth, and Jupiter. That is actually the, yeah, that is the correct answer. Okay. Obviously, this is the last one is wrong because Jupiter is still bigger than Pluto, and Pluto has the year as bigger. So the correct answer is, what is this one order? How many questions we have? How many answers? 1, 2, 3, fourth answer. Okay. So the second question, which of the following list gives the distance, oh, yeah, the distance of the object from the sun? Again, the choices are Ceres, Venus, Jupiter, Neptune, and Eris. Neptune must be the furthest of all of these objects. The closest must be Venus. So the first one cannot be correct. This one is not correct either because of the fact that Neptune needs to be last. You cannot have Neptune somehow no, I'm sorry, Eris. Eris is the one that is last because Eris is actually a dwarf planet that is past Pluto. What am I talking about? There is a trans-Neptune objects, TNOs. They're objects that are past the orbit of Neptune, and one of them is Eris. So Eris needs to be last, Venus needs to be first. So if I see Venus is not first and Eris in the same time not last, that is not correct. So the first one is not correct. The second one also not correct because Neptune is actually further than Jupiter and Eris is actually further than all of them. So this is not correct. How about this one in here? Eris is the furthest object from the sun. So we cannot have it first in here. This one is not correct either because of the fact that Eris is very close in here and Venus is closer to the sun than Ceres. So this is not correct. Actually, the correct answer for this one is Venus, which is the closest from this bunch to the sun. It comes actually after Mercury. Ceres, which is between Mars and Jupiter in the asteroid belt, it comes next. Then Jupiter, which is just after Ceres. Then Neptune, which is the last of the planets in the solar system. Then Eris, which is really a dwarf planet. Make sense? That the correct answer is the last one? Yes. Very good. So this is some of the stuff that we need to learn. Again, this is not a graded poll or anything like that, just to give me an idea, basically, so that next time we'll practice more and more of these things so that we have a better understanding of how these things are and structured and so on, so to become more familiar with it. This is typical, of course. This is not something that that we have to be ashamed of or anything like that. This is actually very good. Okay, thank you for coming to the live session. Again, do not forget to take care of the item that I was talking about earlier, that we're going to post it, and I'm going to send you the link. I mean, the discussion is going to be posted immediately once the video is available. And then big deal, which is very, very important, is actually the discussion that is due Thursday from this Thursday in about 10 days or so. We're going to be for sure Mondays in here, and if need be also Wednesdays. Wednesdays are not planned on Canvas, but we could meet depending on how many they want that. So that's answer the question for Alvaro. So the live sessions, there will be for sure Mondays, and then Wednesday if you guys would want to meet depending on how many would want to be here, because again, this is an online class, we really cannot really force everybody to be in the but I will be here. I will be available for you guys on those 2 days. And also, there will be recordings that are posted on Canvas, in addition to the materials and the reading materials that you guys have and the assignments that you have. Make sense, Alvaro? The Monday session, no problem. The Monday session are actually just to get us going every week so that we're on tap. We're really, we're not lagging behind into where we need to be so that we know what we're doing. Okay. And then after that, you may choose to not attend the Thursday, the Wednesday, if we just basically decide to. Okay. Unless somebody else has another question, again, do not forget that. Do not forget the assignment that is due Thursday from this Thursday. Do not also forget to do the reading that is actually assigned to you guys. It's actually on Canvas. And the first week, usually I tend to have a little bit of light materials on it, but then there will be more materials down the road. Actually, I'm still working on those one to finalize them, to put them for you guys. Any question? Well, that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. And please keep up with the class, and I'll see you Monday, unless you guys want to meet on Wednesday. So, thank you. I'm gonna end the recording now.